Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order that I put together for kind of the Halloween holiday, sort of. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So apologies if you see the reflection here. Oops, sorry, it's my microphone. I had to move it away from the window because they're doing some work out there, so I kind of don't want y'all to hear all of the sound, and yeah, it gets kind of annoying. So two of the paintings are actually partials, and I'm actually really excited to show these. I usually don't do partials, but after that last one I opened and I started working on it for my the Cultures 24 event that I'm doing with Diamond Grandma, I fell in love with it. So I thought, ooh, I remember ordering a couple other partials. So I want to show this one. This one, I think it's more fall than Halloween, but you'll see it in a moment. And same thing, once you've already taken the painting out of the plastic, you'll receive your diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, a standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is press the pen into the wax, press into the diamonds that you poured into the tray, press it onto the painting, and voila, you are officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you lose it or break it, trust me, your next painting is going to have one as well. And these are the diamonds. So this partial, it has rhinestones. So as you can see, all of the beautiful shine on them, the purples, the yellows, and all of that. It's a small number, so we'll go back to them after I show the painting. And this is the painting. And yes, it is a pink pumpkin. So when I first saw it, I'm not a big fan of pink. It's not my favorite color, but it's not that I don't dislike it. I like blue more. But when I saw this pumpkin with all of these flowers, and I knew that they were going to be rhinestone, I just fell in love with it. And it's perfect for fall. That's why I said kind of fall or Halloween. But it's such a cute little pink pumpkin with some roses around it, some flowers, and all of that. And just in case you're not familiar with partials, anything that has the dots with the numbers, that's the sticky part. That is the part you'll put your diamond on. The rest, as you can probably see, it's not sticking in my fingers, doesn't have any adhesive, but these parts do. So that's what makes partials different, because technically they're partially diamond painted. And some information about this painting: it is 923-101-00239. Oh goodness, that's a long number. And it is a 30 by 30, and it only has 8 colors. Now usually partials, their numbers are kind of that small. And see if I can get the little photo here. See, it's a cute little pink pumpkin. It's so cute, and I just fell in love when I saw it, and I'm a big fan of it. And we can look at the diamonds real quick. There's only 8 of them, and as I said, they're all rhinestones. So let's check them out real quick. And usually they have them in these little packets, so you would just cut them up and organize them, cut them up in whatever kind of storage you use. And you don't need to see the side with the numbers, so we'll flip them and show the actual diamonds. This is a nice little gold color. I like those. A nice emerald. Lighter, kind of a topaz color. Really dark purple. Ooh, it's like a nice violet. I like that. A whole bunch of light pink, which makes sense. I think it's going to line the pumpkin. These beautiful little raindrop shapes. I love that orange. I love the little prismatic effect it's giving. These little feather kind of shaped. Oh, these are like crystal diamonds. You can see it's doing the little shine on it. And oh, I haven't seen these before. They're cute little star drop kind of diamonds, as you can see. Oh, these are so pretty. I love the little pink effect. And all of these are going to be going to this painting. So, and as well as my diamonds, I save my rhinestones as well. I've used them for other crafts, and I've used them for other partials whenever I'm missing, for example, one of these kind of special shaped ones. Luckily, I have some as a backup, so even rhinestones I save. And just to kind of have a clearer image, I'll post an image here in the middle of the screen. It's a nice little pink pumpkin as your style as well. I think this one I might kit up next, because I kind of want to do a small one just to have it on the side. so I can finish one more quick so I can have a completed painting. And this is the next parcel. This I usually don't buy paintings with food on it. I really don't. It's not that I dislike it. It's just, I don't know. It's just I haven't found one that, oh, I really fell in love with the image or anything like that. There is one I did find that had pancakes, but it's sold out. So when that one comes back, I'll make sure to purchase it. And this one is, well, it has coffee, so, or hot chocolate. I'm not sure. And same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, these are really nice pink, as you can see them. I really love that pink color. It's like a more magenta pink, and I love that. And these are really, really nice. I'll make sure to open these and show them to y'all in a moment. Oh, these are some pretty ones. And this is the image. It's a cup of coffee with a cupcake, a little cupcake, and a whole bunch of flowers. It's on a little kind of plate with a spoon. And I believe it's coffee because there's little coffee beans around. So, and there's a little cream here, so I like to think it's a latte. Lattes are my favorite, so everything to me is a latte. And I really love this image. As I said, I don't usually buy food photos. I don't. But this one I fell in love when I saw it. And that pancake one, I'm going to wait for it. It is so cute. It's like a little pancake with some strawberries on it. But for this one, I love my little cup of hot coffee and a cupcake. I really do love that. Same thing, this is a partial, as you probably saw when I lifted it. There's no stick here, but on these, there is. This one's a little bit different, as you can probably see on the border. Oh, this is so pretty. It has a nice little kind of heart-shaped, geometric kind of shapes lining the border. Oh, that is so pretty. It's so classy. It kind of fits with the image. I like that a lot. Never seen that before. That is too cute. And some information about the painting. It is AT324 and it is a 30 by 30. And it has, I'm going to have to count these. There's no numbers on them. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors. Yeah, as you can see on the legend, there's no numbers on them. It's just the symbols of what they are, which isn't too bad. When I kit this up, I'm going to have to write down the actual symbols and the numbers. All of these, 1 through 8, are all in numerical order. And A through G, there's some capital, some lowercase. And they're all different shapes. Huh, I've never gone a partial that kind of has that shape. As I said, I've done a couple before, but I've never had one that actually has the shape. It has the actual shape of the diamond. You'll see it in a moment. Let me just take these out real quick. And this painting as well is all rhinestone. So, and usually a lot of partials I see are rhinestones. So, as you can see on the packet, just to show you, the beginning ones have a number, and they start having the letters A, B, C, D, and it's going to go all the way to G. So when you're kitting them up, you kind of know, ooh, which one is which. Because luckily the little packets have them all organized for you. So I love this one. This is my favorite one. It's a white silver kind of diamond looking rhinestone. You can see it, a little shine on it. There's another kind of gold color. A nice light pink. Ooh, our emerald's back again. This really nice dark pink. I do like that one. Ooh, this one's a little different. It's kind of a cocoa brown color. Makes sense to go with coffee. Both of these are that way. This one's a little bit darker, but I kind of like that. Ooh, this one, maybe I'll do this one. I really do like it. It'll look good near my coffee station, because I have a little coffee station when I make my coffee. Huh, maybe I should do that. These nice little light gold. Oh, this beautiful, beautiful blue. I love that color. This kind of an off-white color. It's not really yellow, and it's not really white. It's like in between. Oh, kind of like that. Oh, I've never seen this one. It's a little circle, and they're kind of different. As you can kind of see, these are really small dots. These are really large. I don't know if that one is kind of a variant of it, because all of them are kind of small. Oh, there's two. Oh, I wonder if I'll select where it'll go. I kind of like that there's different variations. And it's super pretty. I love the little prismatic on it. Our little lovely raindrop again with this really nice pink. I think I might have to clean these up a little bit. As you can probably see, there's a little bit of dust on them. I thought it's the packet. It seems it's on the diamonds. I'm going to have to clean these up when I do kit it. I'm sorry, when I kit it up. Same thing with these. These are little raindrop shapes again, but they're like a silver kind of prismatic. I like that one too. And, this is a really, really light blue, and it's a circled one. I think I need to clean this one up too. And these are the little feather shape. They're kind of a really light green. Ooh, that's really nice. Oh, I really like all of these. And I'll probably do the same thing. I'll probably kit them up and just make sure they're all in order. And I'll make sure to do a video. So when I do start on this one, you can kind of see it all coming together. I just really love that cupcake. And for this one as well, I'll put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little clearer. A nice cup of coffee with a cupcake. Is your style as well. Let me put it aside real quick. And this is the last one. So this is the one that actually is Halloween inspired. This is a larger painting. So, and when I saw this one, I thought it was perfect, especially since Halloween's coming up, or October, fall, and all of that is coming up. I really fell in love when I saw this image. It is a lot darker. This one is not a partial. This is a full painting, and the only partials I had are the two that I just showed. So let me just unfurl a little bit. Same thing, standard kit, except this one's a little fancier. This one has a multi-placer, which is a multi-placer of 3. I'm going to make sure to take that off because I love using 3s and I keep them. And a couple of Ziploc bags just in case you have any extra diamonds or if you kit them up in that style when you can start painting. But as I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are really, really nice. Look at these real nice earthy tones. And there is a whole bunch of this pack. Here is really, it's filled to the brim. And I'm holding it. It's kind of heavy. I believe this might be our lovely 310, but I'm not sure. There's 2 packets of this. It's here and here, as you can see. And I can see the background has a lot of black, so it kind of makes sense. But I love all the oranges. That lovely red. Oh my goodness, I really, love these. Ooh, they're so earthy tone. I love that. And this is the painting. See, as I said, it's a little hollow weenie. Or Halloweenish, it'll be a better word. I'm going to stand up for this one because it's a little larger and I want to make sure to show it to y'all. As you can see, there's these wonderful trees with the red leaves. I love the moon. I love anything with moon, and when I first saw it, I wanted to pick it up. So pretty with some bats flying. Cute little witch with her hat looking out with her little black cat, which is sitting on a happy little jack-o'-lantern. A whole bunch of them. And it's all over the place. You can see the city in the background, and I love that. As I said, I fell in love with this image. And it's such a perfect one for the Halloween season. I'm not too sure if I'll start this one in October. I've probably said it in a whole bunch of other previous videos. There are a lot of... Oops, sorry, I just tore the plastic a bit. Let me just fix that. That does happen every now and then, but it's alright. As long as you can just place it back, it's fine. I'm probably going to put release paper on this one. I usually do it for the bigger paintings. So, and that's rare whenever they tear, but it's a little tough when I was pulling it. So that's on my end. But it is really good plastic, and it's a really good cover. And the stick on this painting, actually, it's a little tough when I'm pulling it. Ooh, it is really sticky. I really like that. And it kind of settled already. Yeah, I'll make sure to put release paper on this one. And some information about this painting. It is ZTM 5889 and it is a 40 by 40. It is 24 colors. And yep, I was right. Those large packets, that's number 2, is our lovely 310. I know my 310s when I see them. And I was correct. The majority of it is in the background. But it's interesting. It's also with another dark color, which is letter N, which is 3371. So I think it's going to cause a really nice effect to it because it's not just all black. It's going to have highlights of another color. Ooh, I really like this painting. And I think I'll see where I'm at and all the other paintings I'm finishing. But I finish a good number of them. I think I might kit this one in October and do it for Halloween. Oh my goodness, it's such a pretty image. Oh, I really love it. And the legend for this one is really different than the little partials. From numbers 1 through 8, no, sorry, 1 through 7, they're numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 8 to 24, they're all capital letters. Oh, thank goodness, no symbols. There's no hidden symbols anywhere, so I love that. I love when it's just straightforward like that. It makes it so much easier when you start painting. Oh, goodness, I really love this painting. And it's really clear, too. So even the little city, as you can probably see it, sorry for the glare, you can actually see it in the background with the little jack-o'-lanterns and everything and the cat. It's such a clear image, and I really love that. And for this painting as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. You have a nice little witch and a cat. It's your style for Halloween as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I really wanted to show those partials because I've been wanting to kind of get out of my, sorry, I moved a bit far away, get more out of my comfort zone and get more into other kind of styles of paintings and partials. I just love rhinestones. So yeah, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps the channel to move out there, and it allows me the opportunity to show all these wonderful paintings to everyone, because we love diamond painting. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.